today and welcome to Let's Cook It. Today I want to share with you how to stuff a salmon fillet, and I'm using a shrimp and imitation or artificial crab meat, and this is gonna be a healthy and a yummy meal for you to make. So first let's start here making the stuffing. I have baby shrimp, crab meat, diced red pepper, melted butter, breaded crumbs, Cajun spice, garlic powder, and fresh lemon zest. And let's chop it very fine. Perfect. That's what we're looking for. Look at this. Nice. Now let's put it on the side and let's work on the salmon. I'm using a boneless, skinless salmon fillet. It's a small one. It's not that big. And you can ask the butcher if you have a problem removing the skin. You can ask the butcher, he will remove it for you. Now for the salmon here, I'm gonna slice it 4 portions. So, first one. So I'm gonna butterfly. Might as well to use my hand, don't be afraid. I'm gonna butterfly each slice. Nice, here we go. And now this side here, I'm gonna cross cut it, but you keep it attached to each other. So about 1/4 inch each size, and you just cross cut it in the middle. As you can see here, that's how it is. Now the crab meat and the shrimp, we're gonna put it right in the middle here, and we're gonna fold the salmon. Push it a little bit down. Perfect. And that's how it's gonna look like, and ready to go in the tray. All what you need, just squeeze a fresh lemon, white wine, just a little drizzle on top, and black pepper, salt, and make sure your oven is preheated on a 400 and good to go in the oven. Now in the meantime, I'm waiting for the salmon. I'm gonna make the lemon butter sauce. So what I have here, I have the lemongrass, and you're gonna peel it, chop it a couple of pieces, and slice it in half. Half of the lemon, little bit olive oil, and your stove on medium high. This is very important before I put the butter, because I'm going to infuse the lemon flavor into the oil, and then I add the butter and I flavor it up. Nice. Now bring it down to medium, and let's add the butter. Salt and pepper, of course. And I have a little bit dry dill. And as soon as the butter all melted, give it like 1 minute, and then add a little sprinkle of flour, just to thicken it up a little bit. Perfect, look at that. And your lemon butter sauce ready for the salmon. I have asparagus and I have a pre-boiled baby potatoes. I'm gonna serve it with the salmon. The salmon almost ready. asparagus, few pieces of red pepper. So I'm gonna cook the asparagus a little bit first, then add the baby potatoes on the side. Voila, nice, look at that. Continue putting the potatoes. Now you can use a masher, because what we're gonna do, we're gonna smush them a little bit. We're not gonna mash it, just break it apart a little bit like this. Put the asparagus on the top. A few red pepper around. Then the lovely salmon. Voila. The lemon butter sauce. A few fresh dill as a garnish. Oh boy. What a meal. And let me have a little potato and peppers with it. Wow. Flaky, juicy, tasty, unbelievable stuffed salmon, a stuffed fillet of salmon with crab meat and shrimp. It's all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Take care.